Hi, I'm Jackie Robertson with What's New in Newnan, and today we are at Sea Glass Therapy with Jennifer, and she is going to share with us some of the great programs and activities that they offer here. So let's start with the yoga.
Okay.
Tell us a little bit about the yoga that you offer.
So Rachel Morell is our yoga instructor, and she does the most phenomenal individualized yoga classes. So she does a lot of hands-on assist. They're very therapeutic in nature. They deal a lot with, because I'm a counselor, then a lot of what her yoga does is focus on anxiety relief, stress management. She does have some fun classes like an energetic cardio class. She does do a meditation group for kind of deepening your spiritual experience. And a lot of it is basically mind-body connection and really increasing that for just optimal health.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, and you had kind of, and maybe this ties in, we talked about some of the different groups that you have.
Yes.
Especially the teen girls group.
Yes. So we have a teen girls group, and it actually immediately follows a teen girls yoga class, because we do a lot of that. So every one of our groups has a yoga class on the side of it, so that we kind of have that mind-body connection and that centering ability, as well as a therapeutic group that sometimes can get a little emotional and get a little intense. So that's why we have a yoga buffer on the side. So we have the teen girls yoga class and the teen girls group. And then we have a women's group that's called Women to Women, and it's for any woman. A lot of us struggle with just the stress of life. We end up isolated, and we really want a deeper connection with women. So there's that, and that one has the gentle yoga beside it.
Okay.
And then we have a creative art therapy group where people can, you don't have to be an artist, but it's just for you to get really creative. It is for stress management and to kind of deepen some of those things that you might be processing in life. And then alongside that is our emotional balance yoga class. So that's kind of some examples of what we have
So
there.
yoga for everything that's going on
Absolutely,
in your life.
absolutely.
So tell us too, because you offer massage here.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about that.
So Tanya is our massage therapist, and she specializes in all different ranges of massage for pretty much any ailment you may have. She does myofascial release, deep tissue. She does cupping, taping for pain management. She works with oncology patients, both who are in recovery and are struggling with lymphatic drainage. I mean, she kind of does, as well as Swedish make you feel good massage. So she kind of does it all.
Wow. So you can cover everything.
That's why we call it, we call it a self-care center. So you can just get a piece of everything. And I offer individual and couples counseling for any range of issues. And I deal with adolescents and adults. And so, so we want people to be able to come here and get healing head to toe, mind, body, and spirit.
Now, you were mentioning something right before, too, when we were talking about the couples.
The date night.
The date night is coming up.
Yes, so we have a date night coming up. Our first one is going to be October 13th, which is a Saturday night. And it is going to be an experience for couples to have a different experience on a date night, because so often we go to the movies and just sit beside each other and don't interact. But this is for deepening your connection with your spouse or your partner. And you can come in here and you're going to have a partner yoga class. Okay. So it's kind of hands-on each other doing assist. So it's that kind of physical connection that can deepen that connection. And then we're going to go to the back and in our art therapy room do an art therapy exercise that is couples-based to kind of strengthen your relationship and your bond. So
that could go so many different directions.
It could, absolutely.
Well, if someone is looking for, trying to find you all, how do they find you?
So you can go to our website, which is www.seaglasstherapy.com. You can call our phone number, which is, it will come to me, and then I can direct you to whichever practitioner you need, and that's 601-331-0451. And we are located at 18 Perry Street, right on the corner of Perry and Spring, where there's the big mural on the side of our building.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, thanks so much for having us come by.
Thank you for coming by.
You are so welcome. And because you had mentioned the date on the couples, the night out, that is the 13th.
Yes.
So I'm assuming that spots are limited, so they need
very limited. Yes. In fact, for our yoga classes, for all of our groups, all of our spots are very limited, because we want the ability to give everybody that individual hands-on ability. So to register online on our website is absolutely the best way to go. And those spots are actually filling up for the date night. In fact, we've already planned a second one coming up in case this one gets full really quickly.
That's awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much, Jennifer.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm Jackie Robertson with What's New in Newnan, and we're at Sea Glass Therapy.